फायनली फॉर पर्सन विथ डिसेबिलिटीज आणि पर्सन विदाउट डिसेबिलिटीज वोटर्स सगळे आज आशिल्ले फ्रॉम मिरामार बीच टू गोवा सायन्स सेंटर, जितून आमी आमची ई रिक्षा जी आसा तितून व्हीलचेअर बाउंड पर्सन विथ डिसेबिलिटीज जे आसतले ताका वापरतले, तिचोय आमी आज उपयोग केल्लो. आणि पर्सन विथ वेरियस डिसेबिलिटीज ऑल्सो पार्टिसिपेटेड इन दीस rally along with other voters. I appeal all the person with disability voters to vote on 7th May.
Hi everybody, good morning. I'm Taha Hazik, State Icon for Persons with Disabilities and Secretary Disability Commission Goa. Very happy to be here in the rally today in the morning from the Miramar Circle till the Goa Science Center, appealing all the people here to come in maximum numbers and vote. This time the voting is completely inclusive, so it is, please come out, the facilities are there. 7th of May, see you all there. Thank you.
Okay, on behalf of CEO Goa, as we all know, only 2 days are left for 7th May. As Goa is going for vote on 7th May, we have organized Run for Vote rally with all the people from Office of the CEO and icons, our CEO officers, so that from Miramar Circle to Science Center Miramar, to create awareness among the public to come out and vote. I appeal all the Goans out there to please come out and participate in the voting process. Let's vote on 7th May. I appeal to all the Goans out there, please come out and vote. Your vote matters for us. Let's vote on 7th May.
Here I am requesting all the Goans to come together and cast their vote in this number. We have to surpass our earlier figures of 75%. Please come and vote for sure. Every vote matters. That's why take a place that I will vote for sure for my nation and support from my side to my nation.